My name is Atta Hermega. I am the representative of the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. I'm pleased to share with you the contribution of FAO in face of this food security situation in Lesotho. I want to stress, as stated by my colleagues in introduction, that Lesotho agriculture is indeed very vulnerable to climate change-induced shocks. Just to emphasize on the example given earlier on, maize, which is the main staple for the Lesotho people, the production of maize declined by 77% during the 2011-2012 cropping season, which means that 20% of the needs in maize will not be met. So I want to emphasize that the agricultural and food security situation in Lesotho therefore needs support and urgent attention. FAO, in coordination with all the stakeholders, is ready to assist the farming families in need of recovering their farming capacity while also addressing the underlying causes of the vulnerability. More specifically, we intend to support over 21,000 families with good quality inputs to produce staple foods and also receive training in conservation agriculture. Over 24,000 families will be supported to diversify their food production through home gardening practices and also training on nutrition and how to use food. And lastly, in the livestock area, because agriculture and livestock go hand in hand, livestock will be treated and more sustainable feeding system will be used to promote good livestock practices. So in short, I want to stress that FAO's interventions is conceived in a comprehensive manner whereby we address the short-term response, but also we intend to build resilience to vulnerability for the vulnerable farming household. Thank you very much.